Every institute has that one spot where all the cool kids hang out. For some, it's the library. For some, the canteen. Even maybe the ground. For us at Newton School of Technology, it's the Robotics lab. So let's take a look at what we're building here at NewtonBotics. Hi there, this looks like some serious underwater tech. What are you working on?
Hi Asha. So we are one ocean and we are building underwater vehicles. This is capable of deep diving till 20 meters of depth and it will navigate there even without a GPS.
How does it do it?
So it actually uses an algorithm called EMCL and SLAM to turn the seabed into a topographical 3D point cloud, which can be used as a reference for further submarine navigations and AV navigations.
And this looks like SpaceX territory.
Meet 80 Horizon, our high-altitude rocket with active steering control. We are one of the very few teams in India performing real-time steering.
How does real-time steering work?
So the gimbal system here can deflect the thrust by 5 degrees. That will help it to achieve the height of 1200 meters.
1200 meters must require a lot of thrust. How does it produce?
Yeah, so we are using the motors typically made with ammonium perchlorate based composite solutions that will generate about 2000 newtons of thrust that helps it propagate to 1200 meters. And plus the dual telemetry and the active payload deployment will help it to deploy the payload at apogee.
How does automated payload deployment work?
So we have a full system of integrated sensors with STM boards, IMU, MPOs, barometer sensors that will detect the height, and then the payload will be deployed through an pyrolytic charge.
This drone looks mission critical. What's its purpose?
AI-powered search and rescue. When disaster strikes, this drone automatically scans areas, detect human using computer vision, and log GPS coordinate to team rescue.
Okay, completely automated.
Yeah, when our AI confirms the human presence, it transmits the protocol and also send the real-time data feed to detect the humans. Perfect for earthquake zones, wildfires, mountain rescues, and where the time is critical.
From autonomous underwater exploration to space-bound rockets to life-saving rescue systems, this is NewtonBotics at Newton School of Technology. These aren't just cool engineering products, they're real-world solutions built by students who refuse to wait for the future. They're creating it. If this inspired you as much as it inspired me, subscribe and hit that bell. We're just getting started here.